This is the 14th video in the WordPress Speed Optimization 101 course. In this video, I'll show you how to inline font icons and offload font icon libraries to make the website load fast. Alright, I created this demo site using the Blocksy theme and Elementor page builder. On the home page, I added 7 icons. I performed a test using page speed insights, and here are the results. The mobile score is 53 and the desktop score is 88. I performed the GT metrics test, and let's look at the results. Click on the waterfall tab and then click on CSS. First, let's see how many style sheets Elementor is loading to display the font icons. This is a Blocksy style sheet. This is a block library style sheet. Here is the first style sheet, loaded by Elementor for displaying font icons. Here is another font awesome style sheet. 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 This is just unbelievable. To display font icons, we are loading 7 style sheets. Now let me click on fonts, and as we can see, 3 font icon libraries are loading, and the total file size is 164 KB. Okay, before we continue the video, let me share some of the most valuable resources with you. I'm offering WordPress Speed Optimization 101 course for free. The course contains plenty of videos that will help you speed up your website. You can join our dedicated community for free. Post your questions and I'll do my best to assist you. Finally, you can visit our website, click on Audits, and in the form, if you provide the required information, I will audit your website, highlight the issues that need to be fixed, and provide solutions. All right, back to the video topic. Let's go to the WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Elementor and click on Settings. Here, click on Advanced, scroll down, and next to Load Font Awesome for support. By default, it will be Yes. You have to select No and Save Changes. Then click on Features, here under Ongoing Experiments. The first option that you see is Inline Font Icons. Click on the option, select Active, then scroll down and save changes. Now, let me perform another page speed insights and GT metrics test. Let's look at the before results. Before inlining the font icons, the mobile score was 53 and the desktop score was 88. Now let's look at the after results. The mobile score is 89 and the desktop score is 89. We increased the score by 36 points on mobile by inlining the font icons. Now let's look at the GT metrics results to see what exactly is happening. The total number of requests is 30 and the page size is 388 KB. Let me click on CSS. The total number of loading style sheets is 15 and the CSS size is 90 KB. Now let me click on fonts. The total number of requests is 3. As we can see, the font icon library size is 164 KB. Now let's look at the after results. The total number of requests is 20 and the page size is 191 KB. Let me click on CSS. The total number of loading style sheets is 8 and the CSS size is 55 KB. Now let me click on fonts. There are 0 requests. By inlining font icons, we reduced 10 requests, 35 KB of CSS, and the font icon libraries by 164 KB. If we look at the page size, we reduced it by 50%. The method of inlining font icons and offloading font icon libraries changes from theme to theme. Font icon optimization is a complex topic. In the Ultimate Speed Optimization, I've covered this topic in detail. You might think optimizing font icons is sufficient to improve scores and website performance. However, optimizing font icons alone is insufficient, and you must also optimize the fonts. I recently published 2 videos on my channel, and I explained the benefits of font optimization and how to optimize the fonts efficiently. You'll find the links to both the videos in the description area. If you think the content you have watched till now is valuable, then this short video is a must-watch for you. If you want to learn how to optimize a website efficiently, the Ultimate Speed Optimization course is for you. Speed up your website, pass core web vitals, and increase your business growth. This course is suitable for complete beginners, intermediates, and advanced users. Here is a website that scored 16 on page speed insights and took 29.2 seconds to load. In just a few hours, the website scored a perfect 100 and loaded in just 174 milliseconds. Become a speed optimization expert and expand your portfolio. You are not just learning how to optimize websites. In the 100K Web Agency Mastery course, I'll show you how to find high-paying clients, generate recurring revenue, etc. If you're wondering how much I charge for optimizing a website, the pricing starts at $500, which can go up to $30,000. I want to see you charge the same to your clients. By the end of this course, I want clients to search for you and not the other way around. The first 300 people who join the Ultimate Speed Optimization course will get a 100K Web Agency Mastery course worth $497 for free. Course links are in the video description and in the pinned comment area. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more such videos, like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with others. Sharing the video with others will help me get more views and motivate me to create more valuable videos to help you and others. We appreciate your support and look forward to having you in our community. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care, bye.